He's not gone as much as he used to, and he comes home a bit earlier.
And is that nice for you guys?
Mm-hmm.
I love
I really
that.
like it.
My career has changed significantly over the last 10 years, gone from outdoor education to just finish a building apprenticeship and just about to start building a house this year. So sort of finding that balance this year of working sort of a little bit more for myself so I can get more family time and sort of balancing that out. Sort of working hard, but then a bunch of good quality time with my family at the same time. It was definitely a daunting kind of step to go from, especially after COVID, going from a full-time as a government employee, working for the Polytech government, full-time, high security job, relatively, to switching to an apprenticeship where I've done a bunch of building in the past, but didn't know how little I actually knew about building, and so now switching into a learning role was really quite fun. Learning how to build well, how to build efficiently, and now switching gears this year, having the skills to actually go ahead and build my own house.